Welcome everybody, this is Cynthia Sampson and you're watching mine around this channel for today's latest top 2 news which I have brought today, that is from France and Turkey. So first let's start with France. So France to grant visa to Algeria, Morocco and Tunisia for refusing to take back illegal migrants. Now coming on to Turkey. So Turkey stops 249 refugee seekers from crossing to Europe. So now the news in detail. So let's start with France first. Authorities in France are looking to reduce the number of visas granted to internationals coming from countries that do not accept to take back their nationals in an irregular situation, especially those suspected of radicalizations. France planned for a targeted reduction in the number of visas for the categories mentioned above has been revealed by the Secretary of State for European Affairs. These countries must be told that they must take back people who are identified as their nationals. We have levers to do this. For example, visas by targeting political leaders, economic leaders. Yes, it is one of the levers that the President of Republic, that the Minister of Interior is considering. The Secretary of State for European Affairs highlighted that it needed concrete action with other countries in Europe, especially the Schengen zone. We respect our partners, but as Europeans with our European partners, we must put this pressure on. Here too, we have to get out of the naivety. We have to go through European actions because we are stronger in these pressures. The French Minister of the Interior, Gerald Darmanin, during his visit to Maghreb countries, presented them a list of nationals in an irregular situation and suspected of radicalization whom France wishes to expel. The Place Beauvau said that there are 231 internationals who remain illegally in the country suspected of radicalization, among them Tunisian citizens together with Moroccans and Algerians. However, Algerian authorities claim that the list includes names of Algerians who were born in France but their parents are of Algerian origin, thus insisting that this is not an issue of illegal migration. France's latest plans follow last month's attacks that brought the country in the spotlight of similar attacks once again, which President Macron calls as terrorist. On October 29, a Tunisian citizen who recently arrived in Europe killed 3 persons in a knife attack that happened to Notre Dame Basilica in Nice. Previously in October, an 18-year-old attacked to death his teacher Samuel Paty in Conflans Saint-Honorine. The teacher has been threatened several times for showing cartoons of Prophet Muhammad to his students. But France President Emmanuel Macron previously announced that he would not renounce the caricatures. Besides, he said that the freedom of expressions in the country must be protected. Macron recently called on the EU to reanalyze the free movement in the bloc. He also said that Europe's Schengen zone should be reformed. Macron revealed that France plans to double police numbers so the country's borders could be more protected. Germany's Chancellor Angela Merkel backed France's president's request during a meeting held between the European leaders. Turkish Coast Guard's teams on Monday rounded up at least 249 asylum seekers who were trying to cross Europe from Turkish coast. A total of 115 asylum seekers from Afghanistan, Iraq, Iran and Syria, including children, were caught off the coast of Akliman district of Turkey's Black Sea Sinop province on their way to Romania, the local governor's office said in a statement. Legal action has been initiated against the captain and the asylum seekers, the statement said, adding that they were referred to Provincial Security Directorate. In separate, 107 asylum seekers were rescued from the boat that hit a fish farm's cage in Seferihisar district of the Aegean province of Izmir. The Coast Guard teams were dispatched to the area and rescued the people, according to the statement by the Provincial Coast Guard Command. After medical checks, the asylum seekers were transferred to the Provincial Migration Authority. Also, 27 asylum seekers in a rubber boat who had been pushed back by Greece to Turkish territorial waters were rescued off the coast of Avyalik district of northwestern Balıkesir province. Turkey has been a key transit point for asylum seekers aiming to cross into Europe to start new lives, especially those fleeing war and persecution. Turkey hosts nearly 4 million Syrians, more than any other in the world. So this was Cynthia Samson. Keep watching my Arab News channel. Like this, we will be coming up with some more interesting English and Hindi news on this Arab channel. Thank you so much for watching.